Namaste, hello, good morning. This is Neha, your host, and I welcome you all to your very own rendezvous with Twin Flames. Hope all of you are having a great time and you are progressing in your life. Thank you so much for tuning in and sparing your valuable time. With the belief that you have been following all my episodes and getting some kind of help from them, let's get started and take up today's request. Our requester wants to know, does the twin flame connection get deeper even in separation? This is probably one of the most important questions that I have come across in a while. Yes, it gets deeper actually in separation. In my opinion, there is a reason why it is preferably known as a connection and not a relationship, as separation always makes the connection even more beautiful. The separation phase plays a crucial role in the twin flames. This is because they are never separated mentally and emotionally. They are just not together in the physical world during that separation phase. Every time they separate, they both learn from their past, they move forward and they grow. They overcome all their fears and they both parallelly work on themselves and end up in becoming their better versions in order to get back into this connection. Their purpose on this journey is to overcome all their fears, forgive each other for any mistakes, and yet love each other intensely and unconditionally. I believe while they are learning and evolving on their journey, somehow they both intuitively know that the separation, no matter how big or small, it is just an illusion. Divine drives this connection, and until either of them is yet not done with their actual inner work, they would remain in separation. They must work hard on their respective issues like ego, anger, guilt, or maybe fear in order to connect with their divine counterpart. While in separation, they do miss each other's presence, but the fact that they are never separated spiritually makes this connection deeper and distinctive majorly in the separation phase. One of the blessings of being on twin flame journey is that you learn to love yourself, which is yet another meaning of true and unconditional love. This kind of love is wonderful, which leads to the happiness of twin flames even if they get in touch after years of separation. So, yes, separation does make twin flame connection even deeper than before. So, no need to worry. Take your time and work on your inner issues. Surrender to Divine and Divine will help and guide you to the right direction. Hope it would help you progress on your journey. Please do like and subscribe. In case you have any questions or if you wish to share your experience with me, you may comment there and I would love to share it with our audience. Thank you again for listening to me. See you soon. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames.